Hey guys, it's Andrea. Welcome back to my channel. As you all probably already know by now, Redbubble is an excellent way to make money online, especially if you have a creative side and enjoy making your own designs. So in today's tutorial, we are going to be learning how to create a design on Canva and uploading that design on your artist profile on Redbubble. Now, just so you guys are aware, I do have the paid version of Canva, which is Canva Pro. Otherwise, you guys won't be able to obtain the transparent background that you guys need in order to have a fantastic design. That being said, let's start this tutorial. So once you've signed into your Canva account, you're going to go ahead and click on Create a Design. Scroll all the way down to where it says Custom Size. And I always like to start my designs with the biggest size. So it's going to be 5,000 times 5,000. Create New Design. Once you're inside, you're going to see a blank white page, and this is where your creativity starts. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a very simple text design, something that I would like to add to my artist profile on Redbubble if I had one. So I'm going to go ahead and change this. I'm gonna go ahead and change that to Mindset is Everything. So for the next thing is I would want to do is play around with the text fonts. You have a bunch of fonts available at your disposal. So let's go ahead and choose this one, which I tend to really like. And I'm gonna look up for one that I always use as well, which I think is pretty cute. And again, this is where you guys want to create something pertaining to your own Redbubble account, right? I mean, if you have a specific niche, all you have to do is just scroll through elements, scroll through photos. I mean, you have a bunch of different things to choose from. Okay, that's very cute. It's something that I would like to upload. You want to make sure you have the paid Canva account because you need to be able to download this with a transparent background. Otherwise, when you upload your design on Redbubble, a white box will appear behind the actual design, which is only supposed to be the little flowers, and the mindset is everything, right? So let's go ahead and click download. We want to make sure it says PNG suggested. The size, we can go ahead and leave the size to how it is. Let's just leave it at 1, and we want to make sure to click transparent background. Let's click download. So your design has been saved. The next thing that you guys want to do is go ahead and search for your design and rename it so that it can be easier to find when you're uploading on Redbubble. Next thing to do, guys, is sign into your Redbubble account. Click on your profile picture where it says account. Sell your art. You want to click on that. And then we want to go ahead and click on Add Designs on the left-hand side. Once there, it's going to give you the option to upload new work. We're going to click on that. Next step is to choose a design that you have saved, that you created on Canva. And ta-da, you're going to see that your design is uploaded. I usually tend to leave the title, the tags, and the description towards the end. So let's go ahead and scroll down. Choose the certain products that we want to feature this on. For example, you have clothes, you have phone cases. I mean, you guys can find literally anything you guys want. You have mugs, skirts, shower curtains. You have a lot of options here, which I think is pretty cool, especially for a free marketplace that you can just upload whatever designs you want, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and start enabling and disabling. Enabling is when you actually choose to feature your design on this specific product. When you choose to disable it, it won't appear. So you're not going to be selling that product with your specific design. So when you finally choose the products that you want to feature your design on, let's go ahead and click on edit. And you're going to see here that you're able to play around with the actual size of your design, right? So I like mine to be relatively big. You could have yours, you can always align your design to be perfectly vertical and horizontal. So let's go ahead and leave that as it is for that one. Once you guys are done playing around with the size and choosing, you guys also have a bunch of background colors that you guys can choose from. So let's say, for example, I want the shirt to be red. You guys can definitely choose that. I tend to leave it blank just so that the customers can have a wider range of choices when they want to purchase a certain design. And the next thing that you want to go ahead and do is click on the square with the big check on it. And then you're going to be able to see how this design will appear on all of these shirts. So you need to scroll down each and every one of these and see which ones you want them to appear on, which ones you don't. So click or unclick whichever ones you want. And the important thing about this is that you could also choose the percentage that you get from the actual purchase being made. So let's say if someone purchases any of the t-shirt and hoodies, you are gonna get 20% from that purchase sale. So we can alter this if you guys want to be 10. And once you change the percentage, you could actually see the price change as well. So I'm gonna give you another example. Let's go ahead and do the tri-blend t-shirt. I'm gonna do 15% for myself, and you can see that the price changes slightly. Once you're done fixing all of those, you're gonna go ahead and apply changes. And you basically do this process with any of the products that you like to feature your design on. You can always play around with the colors as well if you have a color in mind. Okay, so I'm pretty much done choosing all of the products that I want my designs to be featured on. Now let's go ahead and let's add a title. I like to keep it very simple. Okay, and then the tags, you want to stay relatively close to exactly what you're promoting, what your design is all about. So this would be a quote. I would definitely add quote to it. I like to also add tags to the particular products that my design is going to be featured on. For example, if it's going to be featured on a journal, I like to add quote journal, and then just journals by themselves, or perhaps maybe trendy journals as well. You guys kind of get the idea. So definitely fill out the tags. Description, I'll just basically copy what I have above. And you could perhaps put your name on it. You're basically ready to upload all of these designs. You're gonna scroll down to the bottom of the page and you're gonna see a section where it says media. I like to keep it blank just because I like, for people to have a broader way to find my product and my design. And then we're gonna go ahead and make sure anybody can see this. My design is gonna be public. Is this mature content? No. And then just check off the last mark and you're gonna click save work. Once your work is saved, you can scroll down and you could already see your design on various different products, t-shirts, sweaters, hoodies. And again, guys, this is up to you however you like to create your designs. I just literally wanted to show you how simple it is. If you have a paid Canva account, you can create anything you guys want to. Upload it with a transparent background and you're gonna be able to start selling all of your designs on Redbubble. So that is it, guys, for today's quick tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial informative, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to click that subscribe button below for more weekly how-to videos. Thank you guys so much for all of your support, and I'll see you all next week.